In the field of microbiome research, we are accustomed to thinking almost exclusively in terms of molecules, receptors, and biochemical signaling. But landmark evidence published in 2025 opens an unexpected frontier regarding the influence of musical frequencies on our biological integrity. A study conducted by Yang Zhang and his research team has demonstrated that Mozart's Sonata for two pianos in D major K448 is far more than an aesthetic masterpiece. It acts as a powerful modulator of intestinal health. The scientific data indicates that musical stimulation, specifically in the key of D major, significantly strengthens the intestinal barrier. This occurs through the increased gene expression of fundamental tight junction proteins, such as claudin-1, occludin, and ZO1, which together prevent the entry of toxins and pathogens into the bloodstream. This discovery resonates deeply with the philosophy behind the development of Bravo, which was conceived not as a simple supplement, but as a complex and biodiverse ecosystem designed to reconstitute the microbiome. Furthermore, the research highlights that Mozart's music actively promotes the colonization of beneficial strains like Lactobacillus, while reducing intestinal permeability and markers of cellular stress. Integrating the complexity of the microbiome with the coherence of musical frequencies represents a significant step toward the synthesis of immunology and biophysics that has been pursued for decades. We can therefore affirm with scientific rigor that Bravo likes Mozart, suggesting that the restoration of our internal ecosystem is enhanced not only by correct microbial integration, but also by the beauty and harmony of a symphony.